Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you fix the FACEIT error. Please enable TPM 2.0 to continue. I'll guide you through a few simple steps to get things working again, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Run FACEIT as administrator. First, right-click on the FACEIT shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, then check the box that says Run this program as administrator. Hit Apply and OK. Now try restarting FACEIT and see if the error is gone. Step 2. Check TPM version. Press Windows plus X, then choose Run. Type tpm.msc and hit Enter. This will open the TPM management tool where you can check your TPM version. Make sure it's set to TPM 2.0. If it's not, you might need to enable it in your BIOS. Step 3. Enable Secure Boot. Next, let's check if Secure Boot is enabled. Type system information in the Windows search bar, then scroll down to find Secure Boot status. If it says off, restart your PC and press Shift plus Restart to enter the BIOS. In the BIOS, go to the Boot menu and enable Secure Boot. Once that's done, restart your PC, launch FACEIT again, and the error should be fixed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Drop any questions in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.